In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Hostinger name servers to Cloudflare name servers. By the end, your domain will use Cloudflare's DNS, which can improve speed, add security, and give you easier DNS management. Start by opening your Cloudflare account. If you're new, creating a free account only takes a minute, and the free plan is perfect if you're just getting started. Once you're signed in, look for the option to add a site or connect a domain. Click Add, then choose Connect to Domain. When prompted, enter your existing domain name exactly as it's registered, without any extra prefixes. Click Continue to move forward. Cloudflare will guide you through a quick setup. Here you can select the free plan if you're just starting out. After you confirm, Cloudflare will assign your domain to Cloudflare name servers. These are the special addresses you need to use at your domain registrar. Copy both of the Cloudflare name servers and keep them handy. Don't close this Cloudflare tab yet. You'll come back to it after updating things in Hostinger. Now switch over to your Hostinger account. From the main dashboard, open the domain section, find the domain you want to manage, then click Manage to open its settings. Look for the name servers option. You'll usually see a button or link to edit. Click Edit, then choose the option to change or use custom name servers. You'll see fields where you can enter new name server addresses. Paste the two Cloudflare name servers you copied earlier into those fields. Double check for any extra spaces or typos. Accuracy matters here. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply the changes. Once saved, go back to your Cloudflare tab. Cloudflare may begin checking for the new name servers automatically. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take time to propagate across the internet, anywhere from a few minutes to up to 24-48 hours, though it often happens sooner. During this period, your site should remain accessible, but changes might not be instant for everyone. A few quick tips as you wait. Avoid changing DNS settings again during propagation, and keep an eye on any confirmation or status messages in your Cloudflare dashboard. If Cloudflare offers a recheck option, you can use it after some time has passed. That's it. You connected your domain in Cloudflare, copied the provided name servers, and replaced the old Hostinger name servers with the Cloudflare ones. Once propagation finishes, your domain will be fully managed by Cloudflare's DNS, and you'll be ready to use its performance and security features.